Office Deputy Commissioner ka Bhoi District kalabu kerpang ya ka help desk ha Office Deputy Commissioner rangkat bat ka helpline number ka bakerpang kumsi benta pensuk ki pait ba bat banyo ki jing shai kababnia halor ka rukom trekam jong ka Office Deputy Commissioner Bhoi District ya ka ne ka help desk laplie do Deputy Commissioner Bhoi District u Abilas Baranwal rangkat ka jing don langka additional Deputy Commissioner Bhoi District ka kong balakan tiurani lembat ka jing sakhi ki nong tre sarkar labu ru ya ka helpline langba ka WhatsApp number pra iwe lai iwe khandai iwe kaban sedang bantrekam nadu ka shipo trek leber hajar pesan kata hagisngi belong tre nadu ka shipo bajiman step hadu ka san baje janmen kane ka help desk kan yarap kerpangi ki pajba ki bakan thup ki jingkli ki bede ki skim ki program bar ki jing sakri ba pher jong ka district administration ka ba ai jing tip ro sapang ki jingdon ki staff ne ki officer ha ka office deputy commissioner bat ki ki office ki betre lang ka jing yarap halor ki rukom trekam ki kot ki sla ki badon kam bat ki jingdon kam ka bakan thup ki skim bat ki jing sakri ba pher ka jing pdiang ya ka jing ot bat ka jing ai jing mod ki pajba ha ka office trekam u deputy commissioner.
In our office, Deputy Commissioner office, we have started this practice of help desk. 2 people are being dedicatedly appointed for the same. Anyone who comes to office and seeks any guidance regarding where is the revenue branch or for that matter establishment, anything, they can ask them. Secondly, they are being also provided a phone number. So if any person has any work with DC office and they require a follow-up, they can ask the concerned staff and over phone, and they can follow up so that the person so that the members of the public do not have to come to office again and again just for the same piece of work. They can get information over phone and WhatsApp. Simultaneously, after let's say after they have visited the office, if they have certain complaints or grievances with the office and they want to register the same, they can again approach the help desk and register their feedback and complaints and grievances. So basically these 2 people will be equipped with every information that is there to be provided to public, and the idea is to facilitate public as much as possible so that their numerous trips to DC office can be minimized. Thank you.
Jing pentet ki pai ba barok hait ba pokok jiran di DC jongi ni laplie ke help desk kemudian phone number bila ai hamni kang bagi beri barok badan kam DC office kila ban godin ki kam ki jam ki jongki kila ban phone hulu number ban kli lagi kam ki jongki ki branch ba pe pen ke dap ne ya ikalong kaski ke bakong san bat kari ka jing persang ke barat ke jongi ban punduna lani ban kampus ki pai ba bikin don kam ban wan ban pulut bai kali ne jinga bikin yo ki jing tip lumbau ne number bat kila ro ban bu ki message jongki WhatsApp kilang bangila ban facilitate ne banera iki ban yo ya ka service ka por biang respond